Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Breakout Trading. Please watch the video fully so that you will not be missing any information that I am providing in this video. In today's video we are going to see the stocks which will be good to be trading for tomorrow, that is on 14th of October. Okay, let's go to the video. The first stock we are going to see is Bajaj Finance Limited. Okay, let's see what happened. In the previous weeks, in the videos I have told, it was trading inside these two trend lines and it has given a breakdown, so we would have taken entry here. Okay, so from here it has formed a lower low and a lower high. It was not able to break the high. So if it has broken the high, it would have gone up. So the stock able to break the high and it has formed another lower low, and moreover if we see, it has formed a triangular pattern here. So today it has broke the bottom of the triangular pattern. So what will be the good point of entry? So we can sell this stock below today's low, that is below 3240. We can sell this stock and keep the stop loss above this trend line, that is above 3280. So 40 rupees stop loss we can keep, and we can expect the stock to move up to 3000 levels. That is the first target. From 3240 to 3000 is the first target. If 3000 is broken, we can see 2800 in the coming days. This is for Bajaj Finance. The next stock we are going to see is Hindustan Petroleum Limited, that is INPetro. In the previous videos we have seen that this is the supply zone for this stock. So the stock has tested once here and it has formed a low high, and again it has tested it. For the past 4 days it has been testing the support or the supply zone. So more than 2 or 3 times if a stock tests the support or the supply zone, the support will become weak. So in this case the support of 170 levels is getting weak. So we can go for a short entry below 170, that is this support line below 170. Okay, so there are two chances. The stock might either bounce back up, or if it crosses 170 towards the downside, it will go down further. So the entry would be below 170 for Hindustan Petroleum, or to be more precise, we can go below today's day low, that is below 169. We can take a entry. The stop loss we can keep above the supply zone or the support zone. Okay, we can expect the stock to move up to 150 levels, that is 20 rupees movement we can see in this stock in the coming days. This is for Hindustan Petroleum Limited. The next stock we are going to see is this Bharat Electronics Limited. The stock has broken the support of 94 on 8th of October. So normally what happens is, once the support is broken, the stock will come down and it will retest the support again, and again it will fall down. The same thing has happened in this stock. So we can take a entry below today's day low, that is below 91. The stop loss we can keep around 94. So we can expect the stock to move up to 85 to 83 levels in the coming days. This is for Bharat Electronics Limited. The next stock we are going to see is Sun TV Network Limited. So this stock has been trading above this support line for the past 2 months. It has given a breakout and it has gone up, and it has again touched the support. It has formed a lower high and again it's near the support. So the support has been tested 3 times. So the support will become weak. So what we can expect from this stock is, we can take a sell entry below today's day low, that is below 440, and we can keep the stop loss just above the trend line, that is 5 to 6 points we can keep, and we can expect the stock to trade near the next support of 419 to 420. So another 20 points movement we can see in this stock if the low of today's low is broken. So this is for Sun TV Network Limited. Okay friends, these are the 4 stocks that will be good to take entry on tomorrow, that is 14th of October. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel friends, so that you will not be missing any videos that I will be posting in the future. Kindly share it to your friends and other traders, so that they will also get benefited from the contents of the video. Thank you for your support friends. See you in the next video. Keep watching all the videos to gain knowledge in swing trading. Thank you friends.